Hello friends, this is Sir Bernard MTC on YouTube channel and TikTok Sir Bernard MTC. But friends, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us, follow on TikTok. Don't forget when you go to TikTok and find Sir Bernard MTC, follow us, like our videos, comment, share with your friends. I'll be happy friends. Today you're going to study gradient of straight line. How to find the gradient of straight line. What's the meaning of gradient? If you have kids and you want your kids to be trained in mathematics or computer, contact me. The contact's there. Go to my YouTube channel, send a comment or put your number. I'll call you and we talk. So let us come to the lessons. Today's lesson we are going to study about how to find the gradient of straight line. Gradient means the measure for steepness. Gradient, you can call it slope. The slope is the gradient. So gradient means it's equal to vertical distance over horizontal distance. That's the gradient, the measure of the steepness. Gradient means slope. Gradient means change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. Change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. That's a simple way of solving gradient. So it's like this. This is our graph. So this is y, this is x coordinate, this is 0. So for example, you have here points and here. Then this 1, this is x1, this is x2. This is y1, this is y2. So change in y axis or change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. So we're going to plot here x1 is the first point, x2 and y2. So if we draw our line like this, this change in x axis, that is x2 minus x1. This is y2 minus y1. Then you get here gradient. So this side OQ equals the gradient equals change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. That is how we find the gradient. So here you're going to make a mirror of this. So we are going to move with the gradient, which is m. I said you can write gradient is equal to, I said change in y x coordinates, which is y2 minus y1 out of yx2 minus x1. That is gradient. How to solve gradient? If we come here, m, said m means you can write m or gradient in short form equals y2 minus y1 out of x2 minus x1. This is change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. So if you have the points here, you just get the points of y2 minus points of y1 out of x2 minus x1. That's how we solve gradient of a straight line. This is the gradient of a straight line. If somebody tells you to look for gradient of straight line, this is the method how to look gradient of a straight line. So let us move to the example and we see how to calculate it. That's how we solve mathematics. Mathematics is the simplest subject in all subjects. There's no need to cram work in the head. Mathematics is about calculation. Do not cram work in mathematics. It's not like other subjects. You can read history, geography, and you cram the points. In mathematics, we calculate something. If you see the number, calculate it. So no need to cram work. If you cram mathematics, that's why you still be failing mathematics, because mathematics is about calculation. Do your practice. Practice makes perfect. Any number you see in mathematics in a paper, calculate it. You're going to make subject to be easy for you. So let's move to the example. Example 1. Find the gradient of a line passing through following points. Find the gradient of a line passing through following points. Have here point A, 4, 1, and B, 6, 5. So they are telling us find the gradient of a line passing through the following points. 4, 1, and the point of B is 6 and 5. So how do you find the gradient of a line? Because remember the previous I said gradient is the vertical distance over horizontal distance. So change in y coordinates over change in x axis, which means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's change in y over change in x coordinates. So here I'm going to write gradient equals, in short form, gradient means we can write m means gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 out of x2 minus x1. So here we go back to our points. These points, first of all, you have to note the first one, x1 and y1. Remember the points you see, we have x. The first one is x. The second one is y. First one is x. Second one is y. So here 4 is y x1. 1 is here y1. Here is x2. Here y2. So after that, then you come here and substitute them. Gradient is equal to y2, which is 5, minus y1, which is 1, out of x2. x2 is 6, minus x1, which is 4. Then you come here. M is equal to 5 minus 1, you get 4, out of 6 minus 5, get 2. Therefore, M, we divide here by 2, 1, 2 into 4, which means 2 here. We remain with 2. Therefore, gradient is equals 2. Gradient is equal to 2. That is the gradient of a line passing through this point AB. So when you draw the our graph here and you plot this point, you are going to find the gradient sloping. And gradient, remember, gradient, sometimes we have gradient where you can find the gradient is negative or positive. So this is how we solve the gradient of a straight line passing the points of 1, 4, 1 and 6, 5. As simple as that. After all, you say math is difficult. You see, things is very simple. Calculating cannot take even a long time. 2 minutes you finish, you go to the next number. Let's move to the example. Example 2. Example 2. Find the gradient of a line passing through the point P equals 0, 7, and S equals 4, 0. So they are telling us find the gradient of a line passing through the points P equals 0 and 7, S and 4 and 0. Who can work for me this number? If you can manage, work it and post on my video on TikTok or YouTube channel, comment in the comment section. I'll see. If you fail, watch my answer how I'm going to work on it. I want to see your answer. Okay, let me solve it. Here I said gradient. In previous example I said gradient. In short form you write M is equal to change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you come here. I said the first point is here. When you see the first point, this is, remember this is x and y. Or x and y. So the first one is x1, the second one is y1. So if you come this side, here is x2, y2. Points. The first point should be x, the second one is y. So you have to note that one. If you see the points in the bracket, like this is what this x, this is y. So you have to note the points y, x, and y. So we're going to substitute here where x, y2 and x2, y1, x1, like that. We go move m is equal to y2. I said y2 is 0 minus y1, which is 7, out of x2, which is 4, minus y1, x1, which is 0. So you come here, gradient, which is m is equal to 0 minus 7, you get negative 7, out of 4 minus, you get 4. So here, you get negative 7 out of 4. Therefore, you come and therefore gradient is equal to negative 7 out of 4. This is our negative. The gradient is negative 7 out of 4. As simple as that. Thank you for watching YouTube channel and TikTok. This is Sir Bernard MTC. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for supporting Sir Bernard MTC. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye.